Here at Heritage Middle School, we have our STEM club who they've put on the STEM fair today.
Every kid brings a project in that we can show what we've learned and everything that we've done in STEM fair all year.
There's healthcare science, digital arts, which is what I'm doing, architecture and engineering, and many more.
It's actually not composed in like many other schools because we want to take this experience of STEM Club and like drive it to the people's hearts so that they can experience with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we just want them to love science.
We have many different categories where people are being judged off what they have found. Like I did, how different places are like chemically and gross just based off amount of contact they get. And we do projects, and then our projects are scored from judges.
We have different adults from the industry specialists here that are judging, and then we have students from the high schools that came out to also help judge, and all of the students are involved in the CCTE courses at the high schools.
I'm most excited for the drone team. I'm in the drone team myself, and we're flying drones, which is really, really fun.
We've started this competition back in October, and we've gained rankings throughout it. And then we are slowly doing sort of a March Madness bracket down, and it is just testing our skill level and how we can work as a team to get a drone across a field.
I'm just excited to see everybody's project and see how hard everybody's been working over this year.
And I'm really excited for these students to be able to show off their skills, because sometimes these students don't always get to stand out and show off what they know. And this is a way for them to be special and just get to be a star for the day.